We have here a Delta Model 22101 planer. Capacity is 13 inches by 5 inches height. It has a 3 horsepower single phase motor, and I'm about to demonstrate this planer in action. So I will proceed to turn on the planer. Note it's fairly quiet. I will engage the feed lever. Now I have a piece of rough sawn cherry that I'm going to feed through it here. There we go. Okay, I'm going to make another pass, so I want to adjust the planer. And here we go for a second pass. So there we have it. Nice and smooth. Don't know if you can really see it or not, but very smooth. Well, thanks for watching, and have a great day.